Welcome to JH. You have likely encountered advertisements for Hypercharge Pro across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These promos suggest the device can restore your smartphone's battery life, accelerate charging speeds, and eliminate the need for a hardware upgrade. One specific video features a man claiming to be a former Apple engineer who was terminated for revealing battery throttling updates. In reality, this individual is almost certainly a deep fake, with both his appearance and voice being synthesized by a computer. It is important to understand that no charger can counteract planned obsolescence, boost your phone's CPU, or enhance application efficiency. These devices cannot modify your mobile operating system or internal memory. Examining their website reveals several warning signs. They boast about thousands of top-tier ratings and a high Trustpilot ranking. Yet these testimonials are fabricated, and the product is not even listed on Trustpilot. Furthermore, they display logos from major outlets like NBC, Fox, and USA Today despite a total lack of actual press coverage. Even the customer photos are AI-generated rather than being real people. Ultimately, Hypercharge Pro is merely a standard quick charge 3.0 adapter. You can purchase identical hardware for under $10 on marketplaces like Amazon or AliExpress. They are rebranding this cheap tech and selling it for over $40 through aggressive marketing. This product is clearly overpriced and promoted using deceptive tactics. It will not fix your battery or increase device speed, and no genuine Apple engineers are involved. For dependable charging, stick with reputable manufacturers such as Anker or Belkin. Always remain cautious of fabricated reviews, deepfake celebrity endorsements, and flashy sites making unrealistic claims.